In the heart of India, in the bustling city of Agra, a tale unfolds, a tale of love, loss, and architectural grandeur. In the year 1631, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, a man of power and passion, lost his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Stricken with grief, he vowed to build a monument that would immortalize her memory. The Taj Mahal, a symbol of Shah Jahan's eternal love, began to rise from the dusty plains of Agra. The project was a testament to the Mughals' architectural prowess, a blend of Islamic, Persian, and Indian influences. The architects, Ustad Ahmad Lahauri and his team, worked tirelessly for over 20 years, using skilled artisans from across the empire. The monument was designed as a reflection of the heavenly abode, with its 4 minarets symbolizing the 4 rivers of paradise. The white marble structure, adorned with semi-precious stones, shimmered under the Indian sun, reflecting the grandeur and wealth of the Mughal Empire. The Taj Mahal stands as a testament to Shah Jahan's love for Mumtaz Mahal. The mausoleum, surrounded by a lush garden, is a sight to behold, a mausoleum for the Queen, and a memorial for their love. The intricate carvings, the delicate inlay work, and the perfect symmetry speak of the architectural genius of the Mughals. The Taj Mahal, completed in 1653, is not just a monument, but a symbol of love that transcends time. It stands as a beacon of the Mughal Empire's art and culture, a testament to the power of love, and a reminder of the eternal bond between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. Yet, the story of the Taj Mahal is not just about love and loss. It is also a story of the Mughal architectural style, a style that blended Islamic, Persian, and Indian influences to create a unique and breathtaking aesthetic. The Taj Mahal is a testament to the Mughals' love for art and architecture, a love that is etched in every line, every carving, and every stone of the monument. The Taj Mahal, a monument of love, a symbol of power, and a masterpiece of Mughal architecture, continues to inspire awe and admiration. It stands not just as a mausoleum, but as a reminder of the Mughal Empire's grandeur, a testament to the power of love, and a symbol of the eternal bond between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal.